Hi, welcome to Yoga with Vid. Today, I'll be teaching you on how to get into a downward facing dog. So grab your mat and let's get into it.
Downward dog, also known as Adho Mukha Shavasana. To begin this posture, start walking your wrists directly under your shoulders, shoulder distance apart, and your knees directly under your hips, hip distance apart. Relax your upper back and the shins should be pressed into the mat. You can shake your hips side to side to adjust and be grounded. On your next inhale, curl your toes and shoot your hips up to the sky. Draw your navel in towards the spine and press the floor away from you. You can pedal your knees here to gain more mobility. It is okay if your heel doesn't touch the ground, it will come with practice. Your palms are stretched as wide as a duck's feet here. Gently relax the head and the neck, bringing the head, the neck, and the spine all in a line. Belly is melting towards your thighs and opening your shoulders. Stay here for a few breaths. Whenever you're ready to get off the pose, drop your knees and send your hips back to meet your feet and come into a child's pose.